to China.
You welcome. Yeah. 我喜欢这个。Yeah. Yeah.
是一个人的，
上10点钟是啊，
包来回的啊。
是买的。
你付宝可以吗？
啊，
你付宝可以，
支付宝可以。
Beautiful family, this is not Shanghai. This is East Lake in Wuhan City, China. One of the freshest East Lake within the city. And this is the second largest lake in China. So there are a lot of things to do here and we have a lot to explore. So follow me, let me take you guys. Yeah. So basically this is surrounding of the West Lake, East Lake, and you can see a lot of people coming and going from different parts of the lake, which many people are doing exercise. Many people are coming here for tourists to explore. Some are taking photos. You can see this is like a bus that will take you in within the lake. So I don't know, but let's see what we can try. Yeah. Why some people are parking their motorbike at this side? Because I don't think you can go around with motorbike any part of the lake. Yeah. We don't need to pay. Wow, that's amazing, yeah. So these are people that are doing like a bike race, exercise and different parts of things. Here's people that take bicycles. I don't know if we can take bicycle like to see the surroundings. Wow, but first let's check inside. Then we'll come and take bicycle. Because I feel like using bicycle is the very best way to like go around here. Yeah, here's a shop where you can buy drink and everything, yeah. And this is like a bicycle for racing, yeah. You can see there East Lake culture and tourism, yeah. I think if you want to take bicycle here, you have to pay. Wow. That's amazing. Wuhan. Wow. Yeah, this side is like where you can buy coffee, and some people who come here and like doing some music to entertain you guys while you are having your coffee here. This is like an old coffee shop and old beer shop, yeah. So let's have like one or two drink here. Wow, that's amazing. Wait now. I'm confused here because only the drink is liquid. But sometimes you might pick something that is not good. 这是什么？
这个
这是什么？
这个是这个是小吊梨，属于是果茶。
果茶？
对，果茶。
茶？
对，是有茶的。
这个咖啡？咖啡在哪里？
这个
咖啡？冰咖啡还是热咖啡？
可以做热的，也可以做。
可以做。This is like orange, I think. Yeah, 这个。这是这个。不是这个。对，一个。
要冰的吗？
冰。So we're gonna buy ice. 付款在哪里？Yeah, so already make payment. 这个不可以。So now we can go up. So let me keep showing you guys around before we take our coffee. Wow, that's amazing. So this is like a seat where you can see Wuhan. Oh, that's amazing. Hey. Yeah, This is the east. This is the lake. Come and show them the view. Yeah, that's very amazing. Wow. I think this water might link you to Hangzhou West Lake. Yeah, if you can check my last video, my video in Hangzhou blog, I went to Hangzhou West Lake. I think this water might link you to Hangzhou West Lake. Yeah. Wow. I don't know, but maybe there is like a local boat cruise here. Yeah. So let's go and have like a bicycle. Then we can tour this beautiful place. Yeah. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah. Many people have keep like their bicycles here. Yeah. So let's try. Let's see how it is here. Anyhow. Yeah, this is like a bicycles where you can come here and rent. For you like to go around the city, yeah. So I think I don't need to make the payment. Like this is like the receptionist, the counter where you can make payment. And she left her phone. She leaves. I don't know where she is. Wow. This is side of the lake. Yeah, this is like a toilet, right? Yeah, toilet. Here is like many shops where you can buy different things. Wow. That's amazing, yeah. And from this side too, you can see the view of the lake, which is really amazing. Wow. Wow, that's easy. Yeah, these are the bikes. This is a place where they park the bikes. Yeah, the bikes are almost out of stock. Yeah. Wow. Check out the view. Ascamos motor now. Yeah, basically this car is for you to go around the city. And you have to make payment, yeah. That's amazing. So I don't know which one is better to go around the lake. Is it car or bicycle or just like a bus? Well, let's find out. So finally, we decided to use this bus. You can see about the front seat now. So we are going to explore this beautiful lake together. Wow, that's amazing, yeah. I once tried this bus at Ocean University of Qingdao, which was very amazing, and this is second time I'm trying this thing in a very cool scenario. So let's go around and explore this amazing place. Oh. Wow. Wuhan is indeed beautiful and amazing. Yeah. Oh. Wow, I can see like there is a boat cruise, but I don't know if it's active. Yeah, because many of these places, yeah, I think the boat cruise is not active. Yeah, this is our fellow colleagues using the bus as well. Yeah. So for my own notice, this bus is not free. You need to make payment according to the places it takes you here. So I think after you landed, you will make payment. So when I'm making the payment, or when I made the payment, I'll tell you guys how much it cost me for the bus tour. Yeah. Oh. So it was very funny. I just like stopped it on the way and installed I just hop in here. So he was telling me how to make payment. So I tell him, yeah, let's go around. When I will him to stop, then I will stop. Then I will make payment here. Wow. 你到了吗？
我带着补票，那里补票就是回头。
哦，好了。
我带着补票。
到了？哦，OK。Okay. So we have to go like to see the place. Then we'll come back and continue the journey. Yeah. So it'll be like this is like a small tourist. I hope this does not cost us a lot of money. I hope it is very cheap. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, I was thinking to use this one has like a television. Wow, that's amazing. We are going to make payment here. Then we can continue the tour.
回来。
两个沙滩里拿多少钱？
2个人多少？
这里41个人呢
40遍都是啊。
包来回的啊。
400折。
你付宝可以吗？
啊？
你付宝可以？你支付宝可以？
支付宝可以。
可以。
两个人不3名行吗？对。
I'm the only foreigner here.
沙滩两个。
没有。
票拿你过来。你稍等一下，稍等一下。你给我来付吗？80两个。他拿票啊，票啊。这2个沙滩，这是2个40的。
2个40张错下来的吧？
啊，对他拿。
Yeah, so 2 people cost us 80 RMB. To go around.
拿票给他钱扫过来。
And we're gonna
80啊，对，他的80。
we're gonna collect our
你
ticket.
给他看一下，不慌。
Yeah, for 2 people.
2个40，2个30的啊。
This is our ticket. So we are going to go back to our bus. Then we can continue the tour. 哦，这边啊，好了，哦。That's amazing. So it's like we are changing bus again. So it's like he took us to come here, so we can take the normal bus tour here. Yeah. Anyway, I hope we can find seat to stay at the front there. Well, I think this bus will be filled here, so I just have to like chill. Then we can use the next bus. But I think the next bus we are going to sit at the back here. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. Oh, 票。哦，2个人。Yeah, so I think sitting at the back, sitting at the back is more realizable. Yeah, you can see the view. And in the bus we have like a television here where you can see the view of the place, which is very amazing. Wow. So I'm feeling like a solo traveler. That's amazing, yeah. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Wow. Yeah, let me like keep my ticket in case. Because we are the foreigners, I don't want to like us to be like inside the Chinese people because it's very hot. Yeah. So we need to like stay this side. It is more like that's amazing, yeah. Welcome to Wuhan, Islam. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Yeah, the view of the water is very amazing. Wow. Yeah, this lake is big. I don't know how many kilometers now we have been walking. The place is really nice, and from every part of the place you can see people coming out, and some are doing exercise with bicycle, some are using motorcycle. Yeah, so the energy is really top notch. It's really amazing. Yeah. Wow. I don't know which side is this. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. My baby. What else do you see? Okay.
Hello.
Hello. 啊，你的英语很好。啊，非洲。
非洲。
啊，对。你的英语很好，你的英语很好。
Welcome to China.
啊，you welcome, welcome, welcome 呀！我喜欢这，我喜欢这个。对啊，呀。Yeah, so we just arrived. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you are not new, you know the vibes. I love you guys all, and I'll catch you guys in another vlog. Peace out.